Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your finances and want a simple way to take control, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to use YNAB for zero-based budgeting. YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget, is an amazing app designed to help you assign every dollar a job, making your money work harder for you. First things first, let's break down zero-based budgeting. This method means that your total income minus all your planned expenses equals zero. Every dollar is given a specific purpose, whether it's for bills, savings, or fun, so nothing slips through the cracks. It's all about intentional spending and avoiding surprises at the end of the month. Now, why YNAB? It's user-friendly and packed with tools to make budgeting effortless. It syncs with your bank accounts, tracks transactions in real time, and provides insights to keep you on track. Plus, it encourages building a buffer, so you're not always living paycheck to paycheck. Let me walk you through the steps to get started. Step 1. Sign up for YNAB on their website or app. It's straightforward and offers a free trial. Once you're in, link your bank accounts to import transactions automatically. This saves you time and ensures everything is up to date. Step 2. Set up your categories. YNAB lets you create ones like groceries, rent, entertainment, or debt repayment. Be realistic based on your income and priorities. Step 3. Assign every dollar. As money comes in, allocate it to your categories until your budget balances to zero. If you have extra, put it toward goals like an emergency fund. Step 4. Use YNAB's Age Your Money feature. This means aiming to spend money that's at least 30 days old, which helps with irregular expenses and builds financial stability. Finally, review your budget regularly, at least once a week. Life changes, so adjust as needed. YNAB makes this easy with reports and notifications. By using YNAB for zero-based budgeting, you'll gain clarity, reduce stress, and move closer to your financial goals. It's a game changer. If you try it out, drop a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.